Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 16 November 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 14. So, student, uh, let's do, and name of the chapter is Community Services. So let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video, after completing the book exercise of the chapter, we have completed question number D, that is give short answer questions. Okay, so this we have completed in the previous video. Who is the head of the municipal council? How many members are there in a village panchayat? Or what is the tax? So these three questions we have already completed in previous video. Now in today video, we will start with question number E. Give detailed answer to the following questions. Give detailed answer. So firstly, I read the question for you. Question is, write any four roles of the Gram Panchayat. Okay, when we are talking about the when we when I in the chapter when I explain you about the local self government, that is known as Gram Panchayat, and every village has its own Gram Panchayat and they have some functions so that they can do the work out for the welfare of the people who are living in that villages. So at that time when I explain you the chapter, then I explain you what are the functions of the Gram Panchayat: maintaining cleanness of the village, planting trees, digging of the wells, and lightening of the streets. This is also the function of Gram Panchayat. Providing clean drinking water to the people living in the villages. Setting up the primary health center, means dispensaries for the people living in that villages. When they fall sick, they go to the dispensary. Doctor will write the medicines and here they get the medicine free of cost. Okay, construction of buildings, streets and roads. So construction of building in the village and the repairment and making of the new roads in the village, these all come in the function of the Gram Panchayat. Supplying seed to the fertilizers and also arrange seminar time to time to the farmers and give them the knowledge of the new technologies about the cultivation. Okay, setting up primary school, here they look after the proper functioning of the primary schools. Okay, establishing adult education center, this is also one of the function of the ग्राम पंचायत. ओके, और सेटिंग डिस्प्यूट अमंग द विलेजर्स, अगर विलेजर्स में आपस में कोई बात को लेके लड़ाई झगड़ा हो जाता है या कोई फैमिली मैटर है तो उसको भी सॉल्व, उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए भी these members of the gram panchayat help it. Okay, so there are many function, but in the question it is asked you can write any four roles of the gram panchayat. So out of so many functions, we will write any four functions of the gram panchayat. So question is, write any write any four roles of the gram panchayat. Okay, so note down 4 roles of gram panchayat are, note down the first one, maintaining cleanliness, maintaining cleanness, cleanness of the village. Second point, planting trees, planting trees, digging wells, digging wells, lightening of streets. So, 4 rules of Gram Panchayat are maintaining cleanness of the village, planting trees, digging wells, lightening of street. So, you can take the screenshot because I will rub the board and write the next 2 points. So, first of all, you can take the screenshot of first 2 points and then after I will write the next 2 points. Third one is providing clean drinking water. Next is setting up of the primary health centers. So third point is providing clean drinking water, setting up of the primary health centers. Okay, so you can take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, student. Next question is what are the benefits of having a gram panchayat? Okay, so what are the benefits of the gram panchayat? Note down the question first. What are the benefits? Next question is, what are the benefits? What are the benefits of having a gram panchayat? So in every villages, as we know that every village has its own gram panchayat. Now it is asked, what is the reason why we have a gram panchayat in the villages? So gram panchayat play a very important role in the villages. They look after the needs of the people living in the villages. Okay, gram panchayat play a very important role. They look after the needs of the people in the village, or member of the gram panchayat meet from time to time to discuss the problem of the village and find ways to solve them. Is it clear? And in the previous question we have already discussed what are the benefits of the gram panchayat: maintaining cleanliness of the village, planting tree, digging of the wells, street lightening of the streets, setting up the primary health center, providing seeds to the farmer, and time to time they arrange seminars for the farmer so that new technology, how to do cultivation with a new technology, that is known to the farmers. Establishing of the primary school, here they look after the smooth functioning of the school. Setting of the adult education centers, that is also one of the important function of the gram panchayat. Okay, settling disputes among the villagers. Okay, and providing clean drinking water, and providing clean drinking water to the people living in that area, and building construction of buildings, streets and road. So this we have already discussed in the previous answer also. Why the gram panchayat is so important, student? Because they look after the needs of the people living in that area. Is it clear? So note down the answer. The benefits of having a gram panchayat are first point, they look after the need, they look after the need of the people living in Second point, members of the panchayat meet from time to time to discuss the problem of the village and ways and also find ways to solve them. Okay. What are the benefit of having gram panchayat? The benefit of having a gram panchayat are they look after the need of the people living in village. Okay. Next, the members of the panchayat meet from time to time to discuss the problems of the village and also find ways to solve them. Okay, student, you can take the screenshot. Now, next question is question number 3rd. Mention any 4 things that a municipality does. Okay. So, student, we have studied the function of the Gram Panchayat, and Gram Panchayat is in the villages. And in small town and cities, we having municipal committee, and in a big metro cities we have a municipal corporation. Okay. So some of the functions of the municipalities are provide good living condition for the people of a town or city, build and maintains the road, that is also the function of the municipal committee, maintaining the roads. Next, provide enough water for all daily needs. Next, providing clean drinking water to the people living in that area. Set up schools, adult education centers and libraries for the people living in that areas. Okay. Next, ensure supply of electricity, because as we know that in the present time maximum things which are present in our houses, they run or they work out with the help of electricity. Okay. So this is also one of the important function of the municipal committee. Okay, student, we will continue this question in the next video. Thank you.